Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I'm getting ready to make another bracelet, and I'm going to use this bead right here that I wrap with some wire, and then I put some beads and a little charm on it. So this is going to be my focal bead for the bracelet. I think you can see that. Put the little love charm on there. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I also use a little small one of those little natural stones on there too. Just kind of filled it in real pretty. Now we're going to go ahead and string it. And you can see it strings really easy because of the way that I put the wire. And then we're going to go ahead and get it beaded. I'm just going to go ahead and use a bunch of the beads that we got here on the table. May as well use them up. And let's see. May as well use them up. Let me see. Do I want to? I use one of these little caps. I'm kind of sorta starting to like the little bead caps. I like that little extra drama they give. It's like a little extra prettiness. And it doesn't have to necessarily be a round bead because I'm going to put that, I'm going to use that gold bead right there. And that's not a circle bead at all, round bead at all. So I'll put another one. Man, I don't know if these holes are getting smaller or if it's just my eyes because I'm like, man, I got some pretty good glasses. So I'm just hoping it's not, it looks pretty already. Hoping it is definitely not my eyes. And then let's go ahead and use another spacer, and then we're going to go with the yellow beads, the jade. And then we'll put another one. We'll go with another yellow. And we'll bounce to the other side. And string it. And I am going to finish it off with some of the wood beads. And we want a spacer. And let's see what we got. You know what else I'm going to do? That looks really pretty. I am going to use some of these beads right here. I'm going to use some of the brown ones. Let me see what it comes out looking like. Use one or two of them. I think I'm going to mix the color. I got two black ones in here. So I'm going to put the black ones. That's pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with some of the wood beads. I am going to use the dark brown this time. I'm tempted to use the cappuccino color only because it gives it some brightness, but I think I'm going to use the cappuccino. And I'll end up using these brown wood beads for something else. I don't know what yet, but I'm sure it'll be a bracelet. And we'll put 3 on each side. It may be too many, but we'll see what happens. Wow, that is really pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Just amazingly gorgeous. I am going to put one more bead on this side. And I like to wrap it at least twice. Wrap it once. And you do got to pull it nice and snug. And then you got to be careful with the 1 millimeter because 1 millimeter cord because it will pop on you. 1, and then we'll do 2. Pull it nice and snug. Another 2. Do a 1. Stretching it really good. And then I'll do 2. Then I'm going to do 1 more. And then I'll cut the extra. And then I generally look for the bead that has the biggest hole because sometimes a bead will be small hole and then the other one will have a bigger hole like this side. So I'm going to pull the knot into the hole that had the bead that has the biggest hole. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Perfectly round. Perfectly round. Let's put that on. Gorgeous. Look at that. That's pretty. Just the way all the beads blend in well together. Just a beautiful relationship between all those beads. Look. That's pretty. And then with the little charm on there, because it can fall either way. You got a heart on that side, and then it says love on that side. So I tried to position the charm where it would more so stay down like this, where the love part you can see. However, I'm sure, if it moves like that, you can just see the heart. So that's still good. Either way, it'll stay like it's supposed to. This is really pretty. I like this. Really, really pretty. So this is another bracelet for today. I really like the way the beads look together. Everything just looks really pretty. Very rich. You guys let me know what you think about it. And also about the bead, the wire wrapping of the bead. Let me know what you think about it. Really, really pretty. I did show how I wrap this bead and come out with what this bead looks like after I wrap it and everything. It's in the members only videos. This is pretty. I really like this. All right, family. Still working on bracelets. I am going to get back to the link necklaces maybe Monday or Tuesday one day. But I am in the mood for making bracelets. So I had to take a little intermission. But next week, and guess what? We'll talk.